Hey everybody, have another Ameritron Al-80b amplifier in for repair. So this is a newer one. Customer says he has a high input SPR on all bands, so I'm going to go over everything, figure out what's going on, fix it. He re-tapped it for 220, so I'm going to fix all that. Kind of messy. It does need new SO239 connectors, so I will change those. I checked the capacitor on the plate side. Looks okay. I always check that. He has the grid overload board. I told him that these can become a headache and sometimes they can fail, but he wants me to leave it in. Not really needed for amp with a 3500Z, but customer wants it left in, so I will leave it in. And I'm gonna get to work, and I'll see you guys soon, so stay tuned. Okay, so the ground of the grid's right to the metal. Changed the gas discharge tubes and the SO239s, did some other stuff. So I noticed that the tap point on the coil here, where they like a crimp and then solder connection. Look, it is not soldered. It's just crimped around. Like a tab that they fold around then crimp. So I'm going to go ahead and solder that. I also cleaned up the taps over here. I'll put in new conductors. Remove the old stuff, old solder, clean up the holes, and put new ones in. Okay, so I'll be back. See you guys soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-80b. Pulled out the old SO239s, replaced them with new ones, took out the old gas discharge tubes, grounded the grids right to the metal, fixed a whole bunch of solder joints, fixed the solder joint on the tap for the coil down there. See the new SO239s. Clean the input and output rotary switches with deoxide gold. Tested it for full output on all bands. This is ready to go. And provided a video of it working on 20 meters to the customer. So if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119. And last thing, I almost forgot. Fix the jumpers. So, see you later. 73.